Deep mountains with no roads. How do you transport 180 tons of construction materials? In the past, this was a nightmare for builders. Today, workers at Yunnan Shichou's solar power station simply sit in their lounge chairs while directing their aerial transport team to complete the mission. Recently reported by CCTV News, a smart cluster of 16 heavy-duty drones, operating like a well-trained special air force, precisely delivered all materials needed for 3 power transmission towers to tower bases perched on cliff edges. This scene has completely rewritten the history of mountain construction. Imagine the past scenario. Transporting materials in roadless mountains required a full month just to build cable systems, consuming enormous manpower with minimal efficiency. Now, this drone cluster, utilizing multi-machine coordination technology, can lift up to 420 kilograms per drone and fly 1.3 kilometers as easily as walking on flat ground, completing in 3 days what once took a month. This technological revolution brings more than just efficiency gains. Even more impressive, project costs have been slashed by 80%, labor requirements reduced by 20%, and the entire process leaves mountain forests completely undamaged. Isn't this the perfect illustration of how technology transforms productivity? From manual cable systems to steel wire transport and now to drone clusters, China's construction efficiency leaps have captured world attention. This represents not just progress in engineering technology, but a vivid demonstration of China's innovation capabilities. When drone swarms navigate through towering mountains of materials land precisely on cliff-edge tower bases, we're witnessing more than successful material transport. We're seeing the perfect fusion of Chinese engineering, wisdom, and technological prowess. This is the true portrait of contemporary Chinese infrastructure. Using wisdom instead of brute force, using innovation to break through limitations. From construction maniacs to smart builders, China is writing a new legend for the new era. Across this vast land, the combination of technology and engineering continues to create one miracle after another. Behind these miracles are the intellectual contributions of countless engineers and technology workers. They prove through action that China's hard power isn't just about can build, but about how to build smartly. As we take pride in our country's prosperous development, let's not forget to pay tribute to those quietly advancing technological progress. It's their innovation that transforms the impossible into the possible.